right here with the rooster and the horses at the top. So cute. It's gonna go in the garden. Now Copper's going on riding old Bessie. Going to get the chicken feed. Gonna have him some fun. He's a traveling dog. Look at that. Poor little flat. It's too heavy to lift. He wants to go, but he don't want to go. Well, there you go. That's a big old boy right there. He's gonna ride shotgun. Silly dog. Enjoy your ride, Copper. Have fun. That's one loud truck, y'all. He's not too sure of himself. Well, that truck wasn't loud when we got it from his daddy. It's a 1966 Ford, brand new when his daddy bought it. Original paint color. And it wasn't that loud till Donnie got it. When Donnie got it, he just had to fix it up and make it noisy. I preferred it nice and quiet like the old people's truck. But anyway, Copper's going to pick up the chicken feed for Copper Penny Homestead. He's a good boy in the truck. And he's a good boy out in public. You just can't come in the yard. He will not let anybody come in the yard. But he'll go out in public and it's okay, people can pet him, but he will not let you come in the yard. And I don't know what we can do to stop that, because we've tried. It doesn't work, whatever it is. This thing is moving out. How cool is that? There goes the rooster. What you doing, Penny? Hey, Penny. What you doing? Pop's working on the windmill. And I love it because it has a rooster at the top and horses on the side. And it spins like crazy. And we're going to fix it up and make it even better and stronger. Of course. Y'all probably remember when we transplanted these grapevines. Well, looky there. Do you see what I see? We're going to have lots of new grapes. Hallelujah.